Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublai Fibaro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta khasi. Hakasin ka bani kongdo ka jingle akmen ba ka jipin inam ye ki rong ki rom jong kinong Japan. Kam tamah ka bayday bat ka culture jong ka Japan. Mentala ala banyu I hasilong. Ya kate ka jipin inam ba ka jing pertu buon jong ki jai pendri khasi ya ki rokom em jong kinong Japan. Hadu karyam ka bed ki jingle kai klan men kum ki judo karate layo nuksan ketika di Japan. Hakaba ka menteri katanan jong ka IPR Information Public Relation kakong ampari lindo kalong kakong san ban play ya ka North East karavan menen kasngi ha ususo tham auditoriums. Hakani ka program la dari kat lang da umnong kitkian kari Japan sa India u Hiroshi Suzuki ba el hek menteni katanat ridok ka but animal husbandry veterinary of Meghalaya Frederick R. Kokongor, Commissioner of Art and Culture, Mr. Muniz, Zonal Director, ICCCR.
Without further ado, please do enjoy Japanese culture today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow. So in closing, I would like to thank ICCR and Japan Foundation and everybody who worked so tirelessly to bring this great Japanese cultural festival in Shillong. So, Kuburei Shibun Mitira.
The state of Meghalaya are very, very pleased to know that the Japan country is interested in creating a bridge between your country and our country and coming to the furthest part of the Northeast to meet with us, to mingle with us, to share some of your anime films, to share some of your calligraphy, your origami. These are all art forms which are not unknown to the people at large in the world. And you will be surprised, I will create, about the feeling of closeness that the people of our state will have with people of your country. It is also coincidental that you are here during the Cherry Blossom Festival. This is a festival season for the state of Meghalaya, and believe it or not, seeing and being a part of this rain is part of the deal. Coming to Shillong means coming to see the rain, coming to meet the clouds, coming to see the wetness around us and enjoying the full bloom of the cherry blossom at this point of time. The ICCAR, particularly under the leadership of Manish Singh himself, has played very great role in ensuring that the state of Meghalaya is not only portrayed outside to India and the world, but particularly he is one person who has been able to connect all of us together regionally, nationally, and we see a new feather in your cap, Mr. Manish, and that is bringing Japan to the city of Shillong. Very, very happy that you have done that, and on behalf of the Department of Art and Culture and the Honourable Minister who is not here, and on behalf of all of us at the Cabinet, we thank the ICCR for its commendable efforts all the time. I wish that the Japan Caravan Festival will take off positive.
Shillong being the right place, and now it is the season of Sakura, that is the cherry blossom. So today cherry blossom festival also is starting. So in the midst of the atmosphere of cherry, I believe the Northeast Japan Caravan will also where we'll showcase popular anime movies